Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something really exciting to talk about, Copper CRM. If you are in business, you know how important it is to keep track of your customers, leads and interactions. That's where Copper comes in. But hey, let's not jump the gun. Let's break it down for you. So what exactly is Copper CRM? Well, Copper is a customer relationship management tool designed specifically for Google Workspace users. Yep, you heard that right. It seamlessly integrates with Gmail, Google Calendars, and other Google apps you probably already use every day. Now let's dive into the interface. One thing you will notice right away is how intuitive it is. It is clean, it is organized, and it is user-friendly. You don't need a PhD in software to navigate it. Let's be honest, is always a plus. But here is where Copper really shines: automations. With Copper, you can automate repetitive tasks like data entry, email follow-ups, and lead scoring. This frees up your time to focus on what really matters: building relationships and closing deals. I have been using Copper for about 6 months now, and I can't imagine going back. It's like having a personal assistant. It keeps me organized, it keeps me on track, and it's made me a huge difference in my productivity. Now let's talk about customizations. Every business is different, right? Well, Copper gets that. You can customize it to fit your unique workflow, whether you are in sales, marketing, or customer support. From customer fields to pipelines to workflow automations, the possibilities are endless. It's like having a CRM that's tailor-made just for you. And let's not forget about reporting and analytics. With Copper, you can track your sales performance, monitor your pipeline, and identify trends, all in real time. It's a data-driven decision, making it its finest. So there you have it, Copper CRM in a nutshell. Whether you are a solopreneur or multinational corporations, Copper has something to offer. It's intuitive, it's powerful, and it's designed to help you grow your business. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Give it a try yourself. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.